Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly share a file from your Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simplest way to copy a file link using the Google Drive app. This method is perfect for sharing documents, photos, videos, or any file you have stored in your drive. Let's get started. First, grab your phone or tablet and open the Google Drive app. If you haven't already signed in, just use your Google account details to log in. Once you're in, you'll see all your folders and files neatly organized. Now scroll through your drive and find the file you want to share. It could be anything, a PDF, a photo, or even a video. When you found it, look to the right of the file's name. You'll notice 3 small dots lined up vertically. These dots are your gateway to more options. Go ahead and tap those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several choices. Here, you're looking for the option that says Copy Link. Tap on it. Instantly, Google Drive will copy the sharing link for that file to your device's clipboard. That's it. You've successfully copied the file link. Now, you can paste this link anywhere you want, send it in a message, drop it in an email, or share it in a chat group. Anyone with the link and the right permissions will be able to view or download the file depending on your sharing settings. Remember, if you want others to access your file without any hassle, make sure your sharing settings allow it. You can adjust who can view, comment, or edit the file by tapping Share in the same menu and choosing the right permissions. Sharing files from Google Drive has never been easier. With just a few taps, you're ready to connect and collaborate. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on making the most of your Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing!